A big hello and welcome to our class. I am Danish Iqbal, Professor of Radio Production at AJKMCRC, Jamia Millia, New Delhi. And today my subject is community radio production. So, the basic question is, what is community radio? First of all, we must understand the concept of community radio. So, before understanding the community radio, we should define what is community. So, with reference to radio, when we use the term community, community basically refers to a localized community. Although many times we use terms like international community, a community which is not localized, but please try to understand that when we are talking about community radio, it basically refers to a geographical entity, a small community. So, community radio is localized radio. It is not general radio, it is not generic radio, it is not international radio, it is not national radio, it is not regional radio in terms of reach. So, community radio is localized radio. Of course, in our country, the commercial radio or the commercial FM stations, they are also urban radio, they are urban centric, so they are also localized. But we have the public radio system, the public radio network, which is not localized. So, we can understand that in India, we have three kinds of radio networks. The public radio, which is all India radio, the radio owned by public, the radio owned by the country or the government. Then we have private radio like Radio Mirchi, Radio City, Nasha, Fever and so many other stations. So, as opposed to All India Radio and Radio Mirchi and Radio City, we have a third kind of network which is called community radio. And I can give you an example of Delhi University's FM station or Jamia Millia Islamia's FM station and Apna Radio of IIMC, which are good examples of community radio. So, now the question is, what are the similarities and differences of content production for community radio as opposed to other kinds of radio like private FM and AIR. So, please try to understand that these three kind of systems and networks and stations, they are catering to different kind of audiences. The audience is different, and that is why the content has to be different, and the content generation or the production values or the production, all these things have to be different. So, there are certain similarities between these kind of radio stations. So, the first similarity is the technology, because for community radio, for the transmission of community radio, we are using frequency modulation technology or FM technology. Private FM radio is also using the same technology. AIR has more AM and that means the medium wave and short wave stations, although they have FM stations also, but AIR has more AM stations. In India, no community radio station is having medium wave or short wave, and no private FM station is using any AM technology. So, technology affects the kind of production we do and kind of content we create. Why? Because FM technology is a good quality technology. The quality is so good and the signal is so sharp, and FM is music friendly, AM is talk friendly. So, whenever you have a FM station, that means you can enjoy music, you can have productions and programs where music is celebrated, music is liked and musical content is more. So, AM technology, as they say, it is more talk friendly. So, you can listen to news, you can listen to discussions, you can listen to similar content, but if it is a FM station, that means if it is a community station or a commercial station, that means you can take advantage of the technology and can increase your musical content. Another thing is limiting. That means this technology, FM technology, is very good, but it does not have much reach. That means it cannot go beyond 25 to 30 kilometers. That is why it is localized, and that is why it is good for community stations and it is good for private FM stations. They are by definition urban stations. In rural areas, we do not have any commercial FM stations, but we have community radio stations in urban areas and in rural areas also. So, I hope now this point is clear, that why community stations are localized stations, because of the technology involved and because of the community involved.